Hi everyone. The Harley-Davidson Street Glide Custom by Southeast Custom Cycles, codenamed Vector, the CVO Destroyer. Underneath the stunning paint lies pure muscle. Powered by SECC Level 2 power package with Screamin Eagle custom components, this beast delivers a staggering 136 pounds-to-foot of torque and 129 horsepower. A Maxell 827E camshaft, AIM upgraded clutch spring set, and S&S quickie pushrods keep the heart of the machine beating strong. Fuel delivery is handled by a TTS management system, professionally tuned to perfection for maximum power and optimal fuel economy. The body is draped in a candy orange SECC custom paint set, a finish that catches light like molten metal. A Topshop mini moneymaker Gen 3 stretched body kit gives it that aggressive stance, while the Baddad Helix series low-profile tank console flows seamlessly into the lines. At the back, a chopped detachable tour-pak trunk adds both style and practicality. Up front, a 21-inch carbon fiber wrap fender hugs the massive 21-inch SMT machining dirty spoke chrome wheel, paired with an Arlen ness jagged 13-inch floating rotor. The rear rolls on an 18-inch matching wheel, while stopping power is delivered by an HHI radial mount 6-piston caliper. For ride control, the Dirty Air Stealth Full Air Ride system gives instant height adjustment, letting you drop it low for show or lift it for the road. Your soundtrack comes from the SoundsLink Asia Level 2 custom sound system, delivering crystal clear power at any speed. An AF Customs electric center display stand adds a show-stopping touch, while the original kickstand remains in place for everyday use. You'll command it with factory 47 12-inch handlebars wrapped in Arlen ness speedliner grips. A Kuriokin custom mirror set keeps your vision clear, and speedliner foot controls with floorboard-mounted highway pegs give all-day riding comfort. The seat is custom upholstered for both comfort and style. Details like Codeland custom saddlebag hinge covers, a Rough Crafts custom air breather, and a Freedom Performance turnout 2-in-1 hot rod exhaust complete the transformation, giving this street glide a deep, commanding roar. It's Vector, a machine built to dominate, engineered to perform, and styled to destroy expectations. Thanks for watching.